Oh. There's probably a better way of doing this, but I have not figured out that way yet. God. It's like disgrace to feminism. Okay. Okay, let's see. Come on. Oh my God. Okay. And again. You can do it, Claire. Okay. Oh. Far out. Ooh. Pretty. Scissors, you are my marker. Oh, yes, fresh texture. Look at that. You are beautiful. Yes, you are. I've sped this up for the sake of your time, but in essence, I'm covering the entire canvas with plaster evenly. No spots should be thicker than others. I'm not leaving any gaps at the sides. In fact, I'm plastering over the tape. Oh yeah, that's gonna be really smooth. Amazing. Okay. Oh, look at that. Oops, wrong side to do it.